Now, please again understand very clearly, you never actually change the world you're on. Ever. You change yourself and then you shift to a parallel Earth reality that's already more representative of the change you made within yourself and is already populated by beings that are more representative of that vibration. But the world you used to exist on still exists somewhere else, still populated by versions of yourself or other beings that are more representative of the vibration you no longer are. You are constantly shifting from parallel reality to parallel reality. Now listen, billions of times per second. That's what time is. The experience you call time, movement, change, space, is your consciousness shifting billions of times per second from parallel Earth to parallel Earth to parallel Earth to parallel Earth, a little bit different, a little bit different, a little bit different, a little bit different, but totally different, totally different, totally different. The only reason you don't know you're doing it is because the parallel Earths that you're shifting to are so similar to the one that you just left, you hardly notice the change. But if you make a greater change in your energy, you'll shift to a parallel Earth that is more different than the one you just left, and you'll start to notice that you're shifting all the time because of the difference between the two. But you're constantly shifting, and that constant shifting billions of times per second from parallel reality to parallel reality is what creates the side effect or illusion you call time, in much the same way that you know frames on a film strip are static. Each frame has no movement in it. Each parallel reality has absolutely no motion in it whatsoever. But when you move the film strip in front of the projector light and the light goes through the frames in sequence, it creates on your theater screen the illusion of space, time, and movement. Physical reality is exactly structured that way. When you keep shifting from parallel reality to parallel reality, you are literally shifting through all those realities billions of times a second, but there is no motion at all in any given single parallel reality. That's how time works. Does that make sense?
Sounds great.